Things first, I appreciate your support. So my client has moved houses, so we're going to install this machine. So during installation, things you need to look at: source of power. So we have a socket over there, and then we have a source of water here. So we'll install our tap here, and then this is where the machine will drain water. So ensure you have all the required tools. You have the pipe and the tap. So this is the water inlet pipe. Then we have the washing machine tap. We need thread tape, so I have enough. Ensure you have enough to avoid leakages. We have sockets here. We have the socket nipple, so I have enough. I don't need a junction, a T. So this is enough. These and these are enough. Then we need a pipe wrench. So I have a pipe wrench. Then before you proceed, ensure that the main water tap of the main house is closed. Main tap is closed so that you don't get wet when doing the job.